This is day 5 on board the Empress Cordelia Cruises. Today is 26 January 2024 and it is around 7 am now. We are returning from our trip to Agati Island, Lakshadweep. Our ship will soon be docking at Mumbai. But before we disembark, we will be celebrating Republic Day on Deck 10 soon after breakfast. This is Arup Bose. Keep watching. I will share my experiences with you.
Big day to you all. So let's all come together and celebrate this beautiful moment. Requesting all our guests to kindly make their way towards the pool deck at this time. I repeat, I request all our guests to kindly make their way towards the pool deck on deck number 10 at this time. Thank you.
We have all assembled here on Deck 10, waiting for the celebrations to begin. The atmosphere is quite festive. It really feels good. Celebrating Republic Day on board a cruise ship is a very rare occasion, and I consider myself lucky. Soon after the celebrations are over, I will do a review based on my experience here. In other words, I will be presenting a report card. If you wish to jump to the review right away, then please go to the description where I have given timestamps or chapters and click on review.
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our beautiful pool deck. We will be commencing the flag hoisting very soon. Your patience is appreciated. Thank you. A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and once again welcome to our beautiful pool deck. बलिदानों का सपना जब सच हुआ, देश तभी आजाद हुआ. आओ सलाम करें उन वीरों को जिनकी शहादत से ये देश गणतंत्र हुआ. ना पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो बस एक ही है कि हम सब भारतवासी हैं. आन बान शान की देश की हम संतान हैं. 3 रंगों से रंगा ये तिरंगा, अपनी यही पहचान है. तो आओ इस देश का सम्मान करें, इसकी संविधान को सर आंखों पे रखते हुए शहीदों की शहादत को याद करें. और ये बात हवाओं में बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all come together and hoist our beautiful national flag.
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे
आप कैसे हैं? Fantastic. How was your cruise on board the beautiful Empress? thank you so very much for celebrating your special day this morning with us on board the beautiful Empress. And we sincerely hope that you enjoyed the entertainment, the food and the service on this special cruise. And we hope sincerely that you come back all soon again for your next special occasion. So thank you very much one more time. I'm gonna hand over to your captain, Jai Hind.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, namaste, welcome, and it gives me an absolute pleasure to have each and everyone here today. As we just returned from the incredible journey, let me take a moment and commemorate this special day. Today we join our Indian friends in celebrating the 75th Republic Day. So let's come together to honor the spirit of unity, diversity, and the incredible journey what the great nation have embarked upon. May the colors of the Indian tricolor inspire us as we are making this beautiful voyage. I wish you a joyful celebration of the Day of the Republic, filled of the pride, joy, with a reflection of the great history of the great nation. Jai Hind. Thank you. Now it gives me a pleasure to give a mic to our hotel director, Lydia.
Namaste, namaskar, everybody. It's such a great honor and pleasure to be standing here right amongst our own people, in our very own country, and on our very own Indian cruise ship. What a proud honor to be all here. So, हमारे प्रिय देवी और सज्जनों, कॉर्डेलिया क्रूजेस की तरफ से आपको और आपके सभी परिवार इस गणतंत्र दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। इस देश की पहचान हमारे संविधान से है, जो 75 साल पहले आज ही के दिन बनाया गया था, और इसी संविधान ने इस देश को गणतंत्र बनाया। हम सभी नागरिकों को समानता और संवैधानिक अधिकार दिया, और आज हम इस गणतंत्र दिवस को सब मिलकर फिर एक बार उसी संविधान का पालन करने का वचन और राष्ट्रीय ध्वज का सम्मान करते हुए इस गणतंत्र दिवस को अपने दिल से, हमारे दिल से शुभकामनाएं आप सभी को। जय हिंद। So as I said, and as I continue this beautiful journey that you have had on board this beautiful Indian cruise ship, which is done for you, for all of you, your families, your friends to travel. And I'm sure in coming days, in coming months, you will be returning back to this beautiful ship. So on behalf of Cordelia Cruises, our full ship's company, officers and the crew on board this beautiful Empress, we wish you a very happy Republic Day. Once again, Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
A big thank you to our senior officers and our CEO. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's pay tribute to our motherland, our incredible India with a heartwarming dance performance put together by our in-house performers.
The music you hear is stock music. I could not retain the original songs due to copyright issues. Wow, what a performance! A grand ending to a memorable trip. This trip was truly memorable. And this performance was like a double icing on the cake. I didn't know they were going to have this. When it was announced, I thought it would be a normal flag hoisting ceremony with one or two speeches. I didn't know that they had planned all this kind of an entertainment show, song, dance, music. So it is like a double icing on the cake, and I'm very happy that I was on board on Republic Day. Well, with that, now I will come to the report card, my own honest opinion. So let me break it down. We'll take one by one. First, the room. The room was very comfortable, very well laid out, and it had pretty much everything what you need. Well, they provided everything, but they didn't provide an electric kettle, which you normally see in most hotel rooms. That could be because of the safety angle. There is a heating element, and that could be the reason why they didn't provide an electric kettle. Actually, I was carrying a travel iron and it was confiscated. And I was told that at the end of the trip, they would give it to me. And I got it back. And I asked them, why don't they allow a simple little travel iron? And the officer in charge told me that an electric iron has a heating element and that can be a hazard. My electric kettle also has a heating element, but they didn't notice that. So since it could be a hazardous thing, so I didn't use it on board. I just kept it in my suitcase. So we have to remember that this is a ship, not a hotel. But the rooms were very comfortable, very nice. Now coming to food. Well, where do I begin? What do I say? All I can say is excellent food. Really, really tasty. The buffets were large and we were treated to a variety of dishes which kept changing with every meal, every day. I think Cordelia has got one of the best chefs. The food was well thought out and prepared with care. We are all very satisfied with the food. Apart from the breakfast, lunch, tea time and dinner, they also had a special place on deck 10, that is on the top, where you could get tea and coffee anytime you want. So that was really good. Now, service. All I can say is top class, very efficient. The staff appears to be well trained, motivated, and they really know how to make you feel comfortable. Whether in the restaurants, housekeeping, or the service desks, or wherever, you get excellent service. They really know what is hospitality. That's for sure. Activities and entertainment. Oh, there's plenty of it. Plenty of it. There are lots of activities to keep you engaged and lots of entertainment shows. And good quality entertainment, I must say. Very good quality. So I can't name all of them because there's a huge list of these. And they give you a sheet every day to tell you what the activities would be for the day, what are the entertainment shows. There is something for everyone. I can say that with full confidence. And I think everyone enjoyed it, and you could clearly see them enjoying. There is another aspect of Cordelia Cruises which is generally overlooked or not taken notice of, and that is art. I could see a lot of art on board the ship Empress. So there is a lot of art all around. I could see a variety of paintings all over the place. At first, I thought probably some of them could be prints, but later I learned that every single painting was original. Would I take this cruise again? Well, not the same cruise to Lakshadweep, and I would not want to go to Goa either because I've been to Goa several times. But if there is something new, I would definitely opt for it. In fact, I'm waiting for them to announce something new so that I can take the cruise again. It's a wonderful experience. So I would take your leave here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.